Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you are ready for some dip. Alright, so guys, today I'm going to be doing some Azure Beauty dip. Let me just show you these colours. The Charm Sister colours, yes! So they were all together. So I thought I'm definitely going to do a set using these. Now, what I'm going to be using with it is some white. So my nails and everything are nice and prepped. And I am ready to go in with the base coat. So I'm just going to let you watch me work, guys. But first of all, what we're going to do is we're just going to, what's this, glitter. We're going to dip, or should I say use the white dip powder. So I'm just going to get her off the stand. Now, I had seen this lady dip like this. So the first dip, she would focus on that area. So I'm going to pour that. Now I'm going to do the same on all the other nails. Again, just starting from that line of demarcation where the tip meets the natural nail. Obviously, it's a practice hand, but you know what I mean. So now I'm going in with number 2, which is the activator. This is what hardens your dip powder. Now, the set isn't finished, and I'm going to do it in 2 steps. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want a nice, like, flat, smooth surface for the marble. Here are how the nails are looking. I have filed and buffed everything. It looks like, you know, there's a lump there, but there isn't. I have filed it. It's nice and smooth. So now I'm going to get the powders into the dip tray. And honestly, because they're all so beautiful, I'm going to carefully have a marble. Oops. Right, just going to put this to one side. Make sure the dip tray is clean. So ideally, I'm going to be possibly starting with this hand, and we just want to dip it into the tray. So get some white in there. I'm going to go back in with my base coat, and I'm going to have that all over the nail. Just get it there as thin as possible. Okay, and now I'm going to get that finger in. Okay, so carefully, I'm going to get that finger in there and roll. So this is the third one. I'm just going to put that in there. The baby finger in and just twist it. This one came out looking super beautiful. So I'm just going to put that to one side. Oh. I was thinking maybe we should just do acrylic, but I think I will use a gel, like a builder gel, and encapsulate. So here are the nails. Here is how it's looking. Now, what I did after the activator, and it was hard, I literally only focused on the sidewalls and the free edge and tried to bring in that shape. I didn't touch nothing here. I didn't file nothing. I didn't buff anything because I would lose my design. I have put some base coat on, a gel base coat, and cured for 30 seconds so I can put some foils down. It's been jumping. So what I've gone and done is encapsulated everything using a clear builder gel. So I'm just going to do this one nail with you because this is definitely another thing you can think of. Now, dip powders are so versatile, and you know, you can do a hybrid set. I'm just using the clear builder gel and just encapsulating this nail, ready for the final bit of art, and then the nails will be done. But when I do nails like this, I always ask, if you didn't know I had done dip powder, would you know? Because I don't know, for honestly, for real, if I could just look and tell. I don't know. So that's all I'm gonna do. Just make sure everything is encapsulated, all of those side walls. Make sure our dip is nice and secure. So I'm gonna just cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Everything is filed. I'm just buffing the nail. It actually looks beautiful the way it is, but that wasn't the vision. I'm literally just doing some stamping, and I only want a few of these leaves, really. Thank you all so much for watching with me today. What do you think of this beautiful set? I mean, it's definitely giving all the candy floss vibes. And I think it would look beautiful in matte and also in gloss. I'm almost looking at it and debating. Just a little bit of the glitter there. Honestly, because I love the matte finish, but part of me is wondering what it would look like in gloss, honestly. So I've put some gloss on this one. It's not top coated yet, but you see. And then we look at the matte and it's just muted. It's definitely a personal preference, but now that I have actually put it in gloss, I'm loving it. I'm Mama Does Nails and I'm out. Thank you so much for watching. I will leave the kit that I use linked in the description box because the colors are so beautiful and definitely perfect for this time of year because it's spring. All right, guys. Love you. Bye.